back to my channel. It's Hairlista here again, bringing you another video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing one of the products I use for my hair care. Plus, if you know you are interested in hair care videos including tips, routines and many more, make sure to join the family by subscribing to this wonderful channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. The product I'm going to be reviewing today is the Glittas Hair Wonder Natural Shampoo. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I'm just giving my own personal opinion on using this product. As I mentioned in my video on my hair care products, this is the shampoo I use for my hair. So for now, this is the shampoo I use for my hair. I personally love this shampoo. I love the fact that it is a shampoo and conditioner in one. Like, after using it, if you like the effect, there is no need for you to use a conditioner. I personally don't use a conditioner after using this shampoo because it contains both shampoo and conditioner. It's actually kind of mixed right now, but if you see the product initially, you find out that it's a two-color shampoo with the upper part light and the lower part dark in color. So you are usually advised to shake before you use to get the colors mixed up. So when you mix it up, you're going to get a color like this. Then another thing I love about this product is the fact that it's a natural product. It's made with natural oils, herbs and soap nuts, and it's also very high in proteins, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, and these are all very essential nutrients for your hair. And after using this product, I found out that it usually leaves my hair very moisturized and soft, and that's why most of the time I don't even bother using a conditioner because of the results I get with my hair after using this product. For the cons, I don't really see anything personally wrong with this product, and some people say they don't like the smell. It's not as if the smell is wonderful or flowery or anything like that, but it's not that bad to me. Like, it's okay, it's just there. Although some people say they don't like it, but who cares about the smell when it's giving me the results I want? Plus, it's actually a very affordable product. It's about 1,000 Nigerian naira, and in dollars that should be about $2. So you can see it's a very affordable product. You can get it anytime you want, and the container is actually very big, so you can use it about, for my hair that is this long, I can use it about 4 to 5 times before I purchase a new one. That's all I have to say about this product. If you have any more questions about this product that you want answered, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer your questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this wonderful channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss another video. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.